Hey, welcome to It's Motivated. This is your space for daily motivation, tips, and powerful quotes to keep you on track. Get ready to be inspired and take action today. Let's get started. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue those counts. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. Dream big, start small, act now. Thanks for watching. Remember, the journey to greatness starts with the first step. Keep pushing, keep growing, and never stop believing in yourself. If you found these quotes inspiring, remember to subscribe and join the It's Motivated community for more daily inspiration. Stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.